Why is the People's Democratic Party in Abia State and supporters of the former governor of Abia State, Dr. Kwesi Ikpeazu, insisting that Governor Alex Otti must move into Government House, the new Government House in Umuahia? Why are they pressuring the governor, the performing governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, that he should move into the Government House? Why is that an issue? Where Otti stays and do his work, a work that he has been doing, that has been acknowledged as performing beyond expectations. Why is the PDP in particular concerned that Alex Otti is not living in the new Government House? What is it about? Well, we're going to share with you what Alex Otti's people think could be the reason why they are pushing the governor to go and live in the new Government House that they built. Now, before I go further into this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. No governor has come into so much pressure to move into a new Government House like Dr. Alex Otti. He's been pommeled right, left, and center by the PDP in particular, that he must move into the Government House. But Alex Otti is doing his work, and the people of Abia are not complaining. But these people keep on pushing that he must go and live in the Government House. Why is he operating from his private residence? Why is he operating from the old Government House? And all kinds of things. So this issue has been raging, and to put it to a stop, the Governor Otti's Chief Press Secretary, his name is Ukoha Njoku Ukoha, said that the people of Abia State, they don't care where the governor is living. And I agree with him. They are more concerned about good governance. So Ukoha was speaking to Love radio program. He was speaking in a live radio program. He was speaking in a live radio program known as Open Parliament on Family Love FM in Umuahia. He was speaking, and this issue came up about the governor not living in Government House. And he said that there was a rumor that strange rituals may have been performed or carried out in the new Government House during the previous administration. This is what he said. He said, before now, there were rumors that cows, vultures, tortoises were buried inside the government house and other incantations with the intention of eliminating the governor when he was newly elected. That is the rumor we heard. Say that is the rumor we heard. That vultures, tortoises were buried at the new government house, including cows. He quickly added that while the Otti-led administration does not believe in such claims, so the Otti administration doesn't believe that kind of claim that the cows, the vultures were buried in that government house. But they are getting suspicious because of the mounting pressure from the people that served in the last administration in the state and the PDP that they must move into that building. So the pressure of the PDP and those who serve with Okezie insisting that he must move to government house has made them to look at that rumor again and look at the way Ukoha put it. He said with the pressure they are putting on them, it has raised a lot of suspicion. And he said, I hope it is not what I'm thinking. Why is this coming from the same people? Move to the government house. Move to the government house. Ukoha questioned. He noted that the governor is currently working from the old government house, which is undergoing major renovation. So why are they pressuring the governor to move into the government house? What is their motive? Or could we say, what is their sinister motive? Has the governor complained that he is not able to perform his work because he is not operating or living inside the government house? Has the governor complained? After all, the government house is supposed to be for the comfort of a sitting governor. If a sitting governor, for whatever reason, didn't want to stay in that place, why should it be an issue? Why should it be a talking point of the PDP and the Okezie group? Those who are serving his government, Okezie government, why should it be the major issue? Why should it be of concern where the governor lives? As long as the people of Abia State are not complaining, and himself is not complaining. At least in Anambra State, we know that the old government house was not comfortable for Soludo, Governor Soludo. He has built for himself a befitting palace where he can relax better and do his work better. But not everybody is in search of luxury like Soludo. In any case, if Dr. Alex Otti is having challenge about performing his duties because where he is staying now is not comfortable, he will make moves to move to the government house if we to offer him comfort. But to keep on hammering that he is not, why is he not using the government house? To me, it's nonsensical. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. The opposition, if they want to challenge him, they have to look for better thing. Is he not building good roads? If the roads that he built are collapsing, in the last 2 years, they started collapsing, you can complain about that. If the other infrastructure he's putting, they are collapsing in 2 years, you can raise issues that they are using substandard materials to build the roads, to build the other infrastructure like houses and all that. It will make a lot of sense. If you have allegation that the man has done something wrong, misappropriation of fund, you can prove it. Bring it forward. That's what is expected of you. And not to be making noises that the governor is not living in Government House. What has that got to do with good governance? I think that was the message that the Chief Press Secretary Ukoha was trying to pass. I don't know what to think about it. Why do you think the rumors aside of vultures and tortoises and cows being buried in government, that aside, what is this fixation of Okezi Ikpeazu's people on the man, on the governor going to live in the Government House? By not living in Government House, he's even saving money for the Abia state, because it takes a lot of money to run a Government House. Now, he's operating from his own, he's living in his own private residence. Is it not better for the state? Instead of the cost that goes with Government House, maintenance and all that, having a large crowd of staff. So to me, it's unnecessary. I don't know what to think about this. What do you think that has made former Governor Okezi Ikpeazu and his people to be insisting that Dr. Alex Otti should go and be living in Government House when the people of Abia State are not complaining? Why do you think they are doing that? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.